What matters most in membrane element production? Consistent quality, not yield left to chance. If defects are found only after winding, they are already built into the product, and so is the cost. Foresight moves inspection upstream with 3 quality gates. First, membrane inspection. Traditional vision relies on fixed rules. Set the limits too loose, and defects are missed. Too tight, and good material is rejected. Irregular defects like insects and mold are even harder. An insect may lie flat or curl up. Traditional software remembers a standard pose, change the pose, and it may miss it. Mold may look like spots or branches with no fixed outline. Foresight AI learns each defect type instead of applying one rule to everything. As samples accumulate, detection becomes more accurate, reducing misses and false rejects. Second, glue line inspection. Temperature changes adhesive viscosity and flow. AI monitors the glue line and adjusts dispensing in real time, keeping the glue line uniform and reducing rejects. Third, end face inspection. The system detects wrinkles and glue overflow, stopping defects before downstream processing. Together, these 3 gates mean fewer missed membrane defects, more uniform glue lines, and fewer defective end faces moving forward. Inspection and correction happen in line, keeping production smooth and delivering higher, more consistent yield. Foresight. Yield by control, not by chance.